We're standing on the site of a new multi-million-dollar project that is already bringing hundreds of construction jobs and promises thousands of more jobs in the future.
Construction is already underway on a massive $150 million warehouse complex on the southeastern side of the city. The Goodman Logistics Center will be located on a 75-acre site near the intersection of Arrow Route and Etiwanda Avenue. The plans call for two huge state-of-the-art warehouses.
We're standing on the Building 2, which is a 1 million square foot facility. Behind that, behind the mound over my shoulder, is the 555,000 square foot second building. The small building will be finished in March of 2015, and this larger facility will be completed in May of 2015.
To give a sense of how big these warehouses will be, the pad where the larger warehouse will sit is 1/4 mile long. Once completed, developers are hoping to land large procurement companies to use the facilities as a major distribution point for their goods. The Rancho Cucamonga site was attractive because of its close proximity to the 10 and 15 freeways, as well as the Southern California ports.
This particular site, what's attractive about it is that it can accommodate 2 trips a day to the port versus some of the sites further east in the Inland Empire East that would take maybe 1 trip a day.
The project has already been an economic boon to the local workforce. Some 700 construction jobs will be created during the building process, and there's a potential for 3,000 to 4,000 warehouse jobs once it's completed.
Those will be well-paying jobs because our studies have shown nationally that the warehouse job of today and tomorrow is one that's much more higher tech and has higher requirements of that employee than the warehouse and fulfillment worker of the past. We're finding that they're roughly 20 to 30% higher than retail jobs at both the entry-level job as well as a supervisory job.
In addition to jobs, the project also promises to be a huge contributor to the city in the form of property and sales taxes.
What was here before was a manufacturing plant that was built 40 years ago for pipe, underground concrete pipe. And it didn't have a high property value from a building improvement standpoint, so we have property taxes. We also have the taxes that will be generated from on-site sales of inventory that will be in these buildings, and because of the quick turnover nature of it, they can be quite substantial over the course of a year.
And the developers of the Goodman Logistics Center are praising the city and its leadership for its progressive attitude toward attracting business for the 21st century.
What we're finding nationally is a movement towards job creation, towards balance sheet management of their cities, and in this town, Dennis Michael and our city manager has done a tremendous job in making that a major priority.
And while no clients have officially signed on to occupy the giant facilities, talks are underway with several large international companies.
I will say that they're going to be household names, most likely, and if not, they will be household names to those of us in the fulfillment industry that understand how products get moved from overseas into our homes.
So with the promise of thousands of jobs and a huge property and sales tax base on the horizon for the city, construction of the Goodman Logistics Center bodes well for the future of Rancho Cucamonga. I'm David Wiley for RC Spotlight.